Here we are at Bad Larry Barbecue. We're going to be cooking a beer can chicken on the Weber 22.5. I've got a offset, but it's a little chilly here to be doing that. It's not insulated, so it's hard to maintain the temperature, and I don't really want to be bothered with it today. So I just threw some coals on there. Got the water pan there, some onions in it, a little bit of a brine on it. Start on this side, just work our way to that side. Coals are stacked up pretty nice if you can see it. And we're gonna head inside and start with the chicken. Here's the chicken. It's on one of the Weber little can thingies. We have IPA in there, and the thermometer is stuck straight in the breast. And I'm not sure exactly for a time on this. Just gonna let it go until it's done. I've got the thermometer set up for it. And it's calling for rain, so I put it in a little plastic bag. Make sure everything's all sealed up. I got the top about maybe a quarter inch. Might turn that down a little bit, actually. Probably about the size of number 2 pencil for that. Then down here on the bottom, it's not open very much. It's maybe a quarter inch on the inside. And we'll check back in about an hour or so, and I'll show you guys what it looks like then. Here we are, an hour in, and we are sitting about 200. There. I don't know if you can see it. Nope, can't see it. Sitting at 140 on the bird itself in the breast. Let's have a look here. Looking good. Good color on the sides, getting a little dark. Might have to rotate it or cover it. The drippings look pretty good out the bottom. And our moisture underneath, it's not boiling or anything. We've only burned probably about 8 inches in of coals, which is pretty good. So we're going to cover her back up and be back in about probably another 45 minutes or so. Take a look, see how it looks. And here we are, sitting at 250, bumped it up a little bit. Opened up the dampers on the top and bottom, shifted some coals around on the inside. We're sitting at 151 down there, going to 165. It's starting to get pretty dark now. Looks pretty good though. Pretty good color. This is the first time I've actually used the stand. All the other times I've done beer can chicken, it's just been can and chicken. This side's pretty good. The breast side should be pretty tasty, and the legs as well. But one thing I've definitely learned with using the Weber kettle is that the more you keep the lid on it, the less it's going to flame up and get real hot. So try not to look at it very much. And I'd say probably another hour on this, and it should be done and good and tasty. And I'll show you the final product when it's finished. So after 4 hours on here, it's finally done. We're at 165 for internal for the breast. It's the first time we've seen it in like almost 2 hours. So we'll take a peek here. It looks pretty good. A little dark on the back, but nothing you can't work with. That was pretty bad. Looks good. Try not to spill it and dump it. And you can see we still have probably another, I don't know, quarter left for coals left, so I'm just going to cut it right off and save the rest for another time. We're going to head inside, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then when it's time to cut open, we'll get some more video then.